Windows comes with its Windows Defender antivirus system, but if you want to install out an antivirus of your choice, then you can go around onto the web browser and download and install an antivirus as well. So I'm just going to go around over here, and in search for web, I'm going to type in AVZ antivirus right here. So once I go around, I can navigate around onto the AVZ's website, as you can see right here. So now once I go around over here, what you can do is you can go around and download this free antivirus, or you can also download a premium antivirus if you want extra protection. So I'm going to click on free download right here, and what happens is that it'll download out the antivirus, as you can see right here. So what you can do now is you can open up this file and give the permission right here. You can see that the antivirus is installing now. So it is going around with the progress, as you can see right here. So it is installing it out right here. So this does take a bit of time depending on the internet speed and the computer processing speed. So I'm just going to go around and close this, and you can see that now it is installing out the antivirus. So over here, you can see that now I have an option to install this. So you can install these things as well. So let me just go around, only install the antivirus. So I'm going to go around over here, and you can see that now the installation process is going on. So this does take a bit of time. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. And now the installation has been completed, and you can see the antivirus shortcut right here. So if I were to go around and open this up, you can see the antivirus running right here. So you can go around and use this service now. So this is how you can download an antivirus of your choice and install it on your Windows 11 computer as well. If you want certain type of protection. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.